Finding the best KitchenAid attachments can feel confusing, especially when every product promises to do it all. So let's keep this simple. The best KitchenAid attachments are the ones that actually expand what your stand mixer can do, turning it into a powerful prep station for pasta, baking, vegetables, desserts, and everyday home cooking. From weeknight dinners to weekend baking sessions, the right attachment saves time, effort, and counter space. After hands-on testing and real kitchen use, not just specs on paper, these are the attachments that deliver real value, not hype. All product links are in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smart kitchen upgrades and honest reviews. Let's get started. Number 10. KitchenAid KGM All-Metal Grain Mill Attachment. If you care about fresh ingredients, this grain mill is a game changer. The all-metal construction connects directly to your KitchenAid's power hub, providing excellent stability while grinding. It handles low-moisture grains like wheat, rice, oats, barley, and corn with consistent results. What really stands out is the coarse-to-fine adjustment, letting you customize flour texture for bread, pancakes, porridge, or specialty baking. Freshly milled flour has better aroma, better texture, and more control over what goes into your food. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the included brush. Grinding large batches does take a few minutes, but the quality and freshness make it absolutely worth it. Number 9. KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder Attachment. This attachment turns your stand mixer into a serious food prep tool. The metal grinder body feels solid and handles meat smoothly without overheating. It includes 3 grinding plates, allowing you to switch from fine ground meat for burgers to coarser textures for chili or sausage. The sausage stuffer tubes are excellent for homemade links, and the large food tray helps speed up batch prep. For best results, pre-chilling the parts keeps textures clean and professional. Cleanup takes a little time, but everything feels durable and built for regular use. If you enjoy homemade cooking, this attachment is reliable, versatile, and worth having. Number 8. KitchenAid Vegetable Sheet Cutter with Noodle Blade. This attachment makes vegetable prep creative and fun again. Powered by the mixer's hub, it slices smoothly with very little effort. The thin and thick sheet blades are perfect for zucchini lasagna, cucumber wraps, and vegetable roll-ups. The noodle blade is great for lighter meals and low-carb options. The premium metal build keeps everything stable while running, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick. Softer vegetables need a little pressure, but overall performance is consistent. If healthy cooking is part of your routine, this attachment opens up a lot of options. Number 7. KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer and Shredder Attachment. For everyday meal prep, this is one of the biggest time savers. It connects directly to the power hub and slices or shreds without hand strain. The 3mm slicing blade is ideal for cucumbers and zucchini, while the medium and coarse shred blades handle cheese, potatoes, and vegetables evenly. The 2-in-1 food pusher reduces waste and works with different ingredient sizes. You can shred directly into a bowl or pan, keeping countertops clean. Dishwasher-safe blades make cleanup easy. If you cook daily, this attachment quickly becomes essential. Number 6. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Food Processor Attachment. This attachment transforms your stand mixer into a full prep station. It dices, slices, and shreds with impressive speed and accuracy. The exact slice system allows quick thickness adjustments without swapping blades. The wide feed tube fits whole vegetables, which means less pre-cutting. Cheese shredding is fast and even, and the disc set handles stir-fry vegetables beautifully. Cleanup is simple, and the storage case keeps everything organized. Setup takes a minute, but the time saved during cooking easily makes up for it. Number 5. KitchenAid 7-Blade Spiralizer Plus. This spiralizer is one of the most versatile KitchenAid attachments available. Powered by the mixer, it takes the effort out of spiralizing and slicing. With 7 blade options, you can create zucchini noodles, thin apple slices, curly fries, and more. The peeling blade is especially useful for potatoes and apples. The metal construction feels solid and steady, and dishwasher-safe blades make cleanup quick. Everything stores neatly in the included case. Firm pressure, but overall performance is excellent and consistent. Number 4. KitchenAid Gourmet Pasta Press Attachment. This attachment makes pasta night fun and effortless. The powered press pushes dough smoothly, and the 6 interchangeable discs let you switch shapes easily. Spaghetti, rigatoni, fusilli, and more come out clean and uniform. The built-in wire cutter helps control noodle length, which is perfect for soups. Cleanup is manageable with dishwasher-safe parts, and the storage case keeps everything together. Softer dough takes a little practice, but when styled in, results are impressive. Perfect for anyone who loves fresh pasta at home. Number 3. KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set. If you want precision pasta, this is the attachment to get. The stainless steel rollers produce smooth, even dough sheets every time. With 8 thickness settings, switching between lasagna sheets and thin noodles is effortless. The cutters create uniform spaghetti with clean edges. It does take storage space, but the build quality, precision, and consistency make it one of the most satisfying KitchenAid attachments to use. Number 2. KitchenAid Ice Cream Maker Attachment. This attachment turns your stand mixer into a home ice cream machine. The 2-quart freezer bowl is perfect for small batches without waste. Ice cream churns in about 30 minutes, and the redesigned dasher ensures smooth, even textures. Setup is quick, and cleanup is easy once the bowl warms. Compatibility matters, so check your mixer model before buying. But if you enjoy homemade desserts, this attachment is fun, rewarding, and surprisingly practical. Number 1. KitchenAid Shave Ice Attachment, KSMSIA. This is the most fun attachment on the list, and surprisingly well built. It locks securely into the mixer and produces snow-like shaved ice, not chunky pieces. 1 pint of shaved ice is ready in about a minute, making it perfect for summer treats, kids, or guests. The process is simple: freeze, shave, and create. You can get creative with syrups, juice, or milk bases. It's definitely niche, but if you love shaved ice, this attachment delivers pure enjoyment. The right KitchenAid attachments don't just add features, they change how you cook. Whether you're focused on meal prep, pasta, desserts, or healthy eating, these tools turn one stand mixer into a complete kitchen system. Check the description below for current prices and product links, and choose the attachments that fit your cooking style best. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more smart kitchen upgrades, and I'll see you in the next video.